What's up, guys? This is Josh from Mite Paranormal. Just doing a little drone video here, and I didn't realize until a few minutes ago that the angles were as bad as they were on it. But once again, this is more of a test video that we've got going on right here. It's nothing paranormal. It's more like a test video with a drone. It's a Vivitar Aeroview. Bought it for $99 at Walmart. The drone's pretty sturdy. It's got a great feeling remote. Decent. There's better quality cameras on certain drones. It'll work for what we're using it for. But I wish I would have got it to where I would have flown closer to the ground, but or angled it down whenever I had a chance to. I could have just reached up, and because I had the drone actually over me at one point, I could have just reached up and kind of turned it back, and could have been an angle so I could have seen how high it was. I brought it down so I could get myself in the shot of it, and you'll see me here in a couple of seconds here. And yep, yeah, hi. But I just got my hi again, bye again. But yeah, as soon as I lifted it back up, the battery on it went dead, and it's coming back to the earth now. Good drone. I might make a video about it, and better angles. See you guys. Bye.